Hi, I'm Bill Kesterkey with Key Exteriors. We're here with the 2017 $50,000 makeover, and this is Lucas and Jackie Fall. And we came out, we focused in on the siding and the doors. Now, when we started to think about what we could do to the house and make the improvements, we started a process and we started picking colors out. What was that process like for you, Jackie? Was that something that you enjoyed?
I did. Once we zeroed in on the color scheme of what we wanted, everything else just kind of fell into place.
We did a lot of work on the home. We replaced all the doors and the siding. We put a nice cedar shake up above to blend in with the brick. We used a nice white trim also to accent those colors and blend in with the bricks and the roof that we're staying. Are you happy with the finished product?
Definitely. Yep. I like the overall house, but the shake is my favorite.
Are you happy enough that you'd be willing to recommend Key Exteriors to your family and friends?
Definitely.